Cody. Here's a lesson, a video of our lesson. The swing here on the right is going to be one of the earlier ones in the day. We'll go over some setup changes we made first. We'll see legs that are a little too straight, and when that happens, the legs are going to be too straight in the backswing and then have to flex in the downswing, which you see right there. So we're trying to add some knee flex at address. Help to get you in a little bit more athletic position. We take a look at the face-on view, we will see that the stance is wider on the left, too narrow on the right. So we are widening the stance a little bit. We'll go back to that down the line view. So again, swing on the left, one of the later ones, swing on the right, straight knees. We move this into the backswing. What we're going to see are this right leg is going to lock out. He's going to straighten. We see the swing here on the left. The belt line lowers just a little bit. We see that again, that knee doesn't lose its flex. You do turn your hips, but we don't lose that right knee flex. It's helping to load into the ground in the backswing rather than the downswing. It's a much better backswing. One thing we did do, we'll just go ahead and mention that since we got this camera view up. A couple of these swings you had a tendency to get the club really far inside. If you start hitting this ball high and right, that club is moving a little too far inside. You see it get a little too flat there in the backswing. We're trying to make that just a little bit more upright. Most of the work was on the lower body though. And so we drew a line on your belt line right there. And we're trying to get the belt line moving up quicker. You know, baseball, there's more hip rotation than there is vertical motion. To get the ball flight up, we're trying to get you using the ground to start pushing up. You see the belt line work up through impact. And one thing that helped as well with that driver, when that started to go up through impact, we're trying to get those wrists to start releasing that club head. When we had that racquetball racket there, we were trying to get your wrist a little bit more active to release that club head. Getting a racquetball or tennis racket and just using the wrists a little bit more in that motion will help to get that club head moving back up to impact and also to get the club head to release a little bit better. But we can see that belt line starting to go up, really getting that ball flight up. So big improvement today.